Hello viewers, what's up? Welcome to my channel Review 360. Today I gonna show you one of the best online earning website. We all know about different types of website related to online earning. Some of them are ad clicking, some of them are video watching. Again, some of them are profitable and some of them are totally fake. But today I'll tell you about a totally real website which is 100% profitable. And you can earn money as dollar with clicking on links provided by you by people of all over the world. And this website is CPA Grip. It is the one of the best online earning website. So let's start. And there is important information for you in the last of the video. So please do not skip and watch the full video. That will help you in your earning. Thank you. But before start, if you have not liked and subscribed my channel, please like and subscribe and click on the bell icon. Thank you. So to work with this website, you need a good internet or Wi-Fi connection. You can work on this website both with computer, laptop and smartphones. You can work with this website from all over the world. You can work with Opera, Firefox, Chrome and any other browsers you have, but I prefer Opera. So our website is CPA Grip. Here we search CPA Grip in the search box. It is our result and click on the first result showing in our search box. Here is our website. Here are different types of options: publishers, monetization tools, advertisers. To work with this website, we have to open an account. Here in the top there are different kind of options like home, advertisers, publishers, about, contact. We click on the publishers to open our account. We can find this type of interface here. Then click join CPA Grip. Here is a form to fill up to register in this website. You have to fill your first name and last name here. If you have any company, then you can fill this option. Select your address, fill up and select your country. You can work here from different kinds of state or all over the world. Fill up information about your city, GF code. Here you can select Skype if you have any Skype account. And then put your Skype name here. Choose publisher type others. That will be helpful for you. Enter your email address, password, confirm your password. And then simply click on the register button. So I have my website created before here. I simply log in. With the Gmail I created my account. Give your password. Login. Here you can see this kind of interface here. Here the summary. Here you can change your account information. First you can set your payment method. We go to payment center. You can withdraw at least $50 here. Here are different kinds of payment method. Pioneer, SCT type, and the most used PayPal. I prefer PayPal for you. It is easy. We again go to our dashboard. Here you can earn money as dollar with clicking on links provided by you by people. But first you have to get your links. To get your links, go to Offer Tools, then My Offers. Here are different kinds of offers for you. In this region there are 5 offers. 4 of them are for mobile and 1 is for desktop. The mobile offers must be clicked on mobile and the desktop offers must be clicked on desktop. Otherwise, you will not get your money. Here are different kinds of countries here. Different countries have different kinds of offers. Like if we search here United States, here is our United States. Here are many offers, then that reasons. There are different kinds of offers, and then their payout rate is much more than other countries. So I prefer you can get US offers. We go to our region again. Now I will show you how to get your offer. Here is your offer link. This offer is only allowed on mobile device, as I said before. So if you want to get this offer link, just copy link. Our link is copied. Here I minimize my window and go to Microsoft Office. I simply paste this link here. After pasting the link, you will need link shortener. That will be effective for you to earn more money. Here is search VCVC. This is one of the best link shortener and I prefer this for you. You can register and log in here, or simply generate your link here. Just scroll down. Here you can paste your link. I have pasted my link and click on shorten. Our link is ready. Then I will copy my link. Now you have to do some work with your ideas. Now I have one thing to tell you, that link shorteners also give you money for clicking on their links. So I am telling you about some link shorteners that will help you in your work. So the best link shortener is BCBC. That will give you much money than any other link shorteners, and the payout rate is also great than any other link shorteners. There are also some link shorteners like BCBC, Bitly, Jaggle. I prefer Jaggle for the second best link shorteners. Its payout rate is also good, but the best is BCBC. Now come to the point of clicking on your links. You can post your shortened link in your Facebook ID, Instagram ID, Twitter ID, Reddit, Pinterest account, and allow people to click on it. The more followers you have, the more you can get your link clicked. I prefer Instagram, Reddit, Pinterest for much more clicks and much more foreign currency. That will help you earning quickly. You can make your link much more attractive by creating a landing page. Creating a landing page is very easy, and you can create a landing page by blogger.com very easily. I will show you the method of clicking a landing page in my next video. Now I have posted the shortened link in my Facebook account, and I have one click in just 1 minute. So let's check. Here I enter into CPA grip, and there is the click. I have got 1 click in just 1 minute. Is not it very good? I hope you will like it. Thus, you can get your link from CPA grip and get your links clicked by various people easily. CPA grip gives you much more payment than most other earning website. I have given a link for you in the description box, from which you can register your account on CPA grip very easily. Register and enjoy your online earning from today. Comment me if you like it or get any kind of trouble. So this is all about my today's video. Hope you like it. If you like it, please like, subscribe and share, and comment your opinion. Click on the bell icon for further interested videos. So take care, tata.